Hello everyone, so this is how I've lost 200 USD in 1 hour and 6 minutes. I'm just showing you this one, not the other accounts, the challenge ones, because, I mean, who cares about fake money? Now that we're back to funded, only the funded accounts matter, I would say, so just sharing those. So yeah, overall, I think I made some mistakes, minor mistakes, could have ended the day green. But it's the first loss in like 3 weeks. I'm not really worried. I'm not really stressed. It's part of the game. It's part of what we do. Traders are losers first. We're the best. Like that's why there's the most famous trading book is best loser wins basically because it's probabilities, right? So let's go over this. In the beginning of the session, I had no idea what we're going to do. I really have no clue. So we took previously low. We had Asia highs right here and the gap. So initially, in the beginning of the session, this looked like a market maker buy model in which we retested 50-minute levels, went back up, retested, went back up. So I was looking for this target. However, price at open, I was waiting for this gap to be retested here. We did not retest, we just expanded and expanded and expanded. But we had not yet taken the power key level, right? So I was still looking for a trade, even though it's like minor EV. So we tapped into this 50-minute level right here, and I took this long. I mean, it's more than valid. I would say I would take this long like almost every day of the week. Only thing here is this low was like a void, was the devil's mark. But I mean, it's beautiful. Tapped into the 550 minutes, closed above with the gap. I mean, I would take this trade any other day, and so that was a loss. I then waited and waited and waited for another trade, and we had the 1 hour open around here. Okay, and so we had the 1 hour open, take liquidity. So that's when we were trading, right? We have the candles. This is how a candle looks like. So imagine this is a 1 hour candle. So for the candle to do this, you open, right? So this is where the price opens. This is where it closes. This is the high and this is the low. So when price opens right here, this is called the power of 3. So price goes a bit up, goes down, liquidity sweep, then retracement, expansion, then highs, and then accumulates and closes, right? So this is how a candle like this looks like, okay? In the lower time frame. So the 1 hour opened, we set liquidity, we closed above, and so I was bullish. Since this day was super expensive, I assumed that it would not tap me in. I was right, it did not tap me in. I entered with the stop loss here, and this was the second trade. There was one issue, I think this is the mistake for today, and this is a good adaptability in my end, where I've adapted to a market that's expensive. However, this is not the place to be adaptable, because even though we have not taken the key level here, like a market order execution would be before the price has expanded like a bazillion points, literally. Like this market has expanded 300 points to where I'm entering. So it does not make sense to adapt in an area where everyone's already bullish, everyone's already long. We know that this key level is likely to get hit. Very high probability. Not certain, but very high probability. But still, the EV to do these kind of decisions would be at the lower range of this market maker model, not at the end of it. Second issue is that I was so relaxed today. I was so chilling. I have very good day in terms of productivity for me outside of charts, and so I was feeling amazing. And so I did not even trail this trade. I just put the break even here because we had a 5-minute gap, and like I wanted the price to respect it and go back up. I could have just trailed the trade to here and then trailed the trade to here, and I would have at least secured like a 0.7 R. Would have ended a bit less negative on the day. So I would say I adapted in the wrong spot, mistake 1, and I did not trail the trade, mistake 2. And it's like we're in a low EV area because we've expanded so much. we could just do a bigger retracement. So why not just trail, right? And so if I just followed the model like I usually do and just do a limit, this would have happened. I would have been filled right around here. And yeah, I would just go to target basically instantly. So I would have added a green day if I just waited for my model. Okay. So yeah, that's overall the day for today. Just small mistakes, nothing big. Honestly. Easily fixable. Yeah. See you guys tomorrow.